It's a bit like Catalonia. You've got the sea on one side and the mountains on the other. It's very lush, as you can see. Unfortunately, it's also very rainy, which is rather a shame because the Basque country, that particularly up here and the sort of just going up into the mountains, it's incredibly attractive. You've got lovely limestone peaks, and they're really jagged. So I'm really disappointed that you can't see them in the mist. But I'm on my way to a restaurant which was recommended to me by a very well-known Australian chef called Neil Perry. The thing I like about it, the sound of it, is that everything that the chef there, Victor, cooks is cooked over homemade charcoal. And apparently it's all to do with his background in the region, in the mountains here, that he's just very familiar with cooking in this way right back to his childhood. So, as a bit of a fan of barbecue cooking anyway, I'm utterly looking forward to it.
Victor, that's him in the black T-shirt, and his chef Lennox run what's been described as the world's best barbecue joint. Victor designed and built these grills that can be lifted or lowered to control the cooking speed, and anyone who has a barbecue will know what a bonus that would be.
Lennox, would you ask Victor why he cooks in this way?
Sure. ¿Por qué tú haces la brasa? ¿Por qué haces en esta manera?
Bueno, porque yo he conocido de siempre desde niño.
He's saying opening this restaurant was a very emotional journey. As a child brought up in a house without gas or electricity, all the cooking was done over a fire, a wood fire. So his earliest memories of food were always influenced by the flavours of smoke from the charcoal, and the food never tasted better. And now, 40 years on, he works to recapture those flavours from his youth. Even as a young adult, he worked as a forester in the hillsides and would cook just like his grandmother did, out on an open fire in the woods. He said it's the most natural and the best way to cook.
So basically it is an emotional journey for him.
Very much so.
That's really interesting because I'm a cook too, and I mean the funny thing is that I do feel, from listening to that, I suddenly realised all I try to do is go back to my childhood and recreate those flavours when I was little. That's all I do, and so I'm totally simpatico with the way, with what he's saying.
These prawns are special.
Look at that.
So these are the gambas de palamos?
Could I? I feel diffident about. I'm just going to be very Spanish and just. Oh my God! Oh my gosh! They are just. Oh, I'm sorry.
Ask any chef in Spain where the tastiest prawns come from, and they'll say Palamos, a fishing port on the Mediterranean in Catalonia. They're quite amazing.
Just gently warm, just, you know, warm in the mouth, the succulent flavours of the...
Sorry, I'm having a difficult moment. I can't talk anymore. It's just so wonderful.
I know this steak is going to be great too. Victor said it actually came from a dairy cow about 12 years old, not a young, prime 3-year-old steer. Again, he said when he was growing up, this was what they used to eat for a special treat, and he doesn't want to change that.
Well, I can't wait to try this, having watched Victor cook it. I mean, this is just central to any meat lover's love.